Hello. Hi, Charles. Thank you for redeeming on the hat. Yep, I know it's black. I haven't hit the button yet. Boom. Oh man, that's way too big. We can fix that though. Maybe. Boom. Man, this music kind of feels like my mood. Very laid back, very chill, very Monday. Hey, Dark Reaper. How's life across... Yeah, it was Monday today. Whew. My morning started off with a UPS randomly deciding to shut off and fail. That's exactly the opposite of what UPSs are designed to do. That way, made for a fun morning. Oh yeah, I died last time we played this. Okay, let's get some food to start. How's life across the pond, Dark Reaper? I haven't heard anything about the UK in the news lately. By the way, your Discord notification didn't go off. Yeah, you might be right. Here, I'll make it go off. You simplified pretzels? No, I just got lazy. And actually, I didn't get lazy. I've always been lazy. It's just really showing itself this week. Namely, you'll notice that the hat cam is currently offline. That's because I've been too lazy to unpack it and set it back up. So, my laziness knows no bounds. Man, though, tomorrow we won't have a regular stream. It'll be at a different time. It'll be earlier than usual. Because I gotta go see history unfold on stage. Hey, Tech, welcome on in. So, I'm a little sad though, because I really wanted to code. I've actually been thinking all day today about coding. And I'm really there now. In fact, I think I'm gonna make a number of video games now. I don't know why. I just think it's going to happen all of a sudden. Like, I feel like this stream is gonna start being more about programming than it's going to be about playing Minecraft. But not on Mondays. Mondays will still be about playing Minecraft. I think. Maybe. I don't know. That's how I feel today. Although I'm oddly tired today, so maybe I'm just crazy. Hey, Cassandra, how's it going? Instead of using your bot, why don't you use Pingcord that's 100% reliable? Because, one, I don't believe that anything is 100% reliable. And two, I don't know. Let me look up Pingcord. What's Pingcord? Pingcord, reliable Discord notifications. Tired of unreliable sub boxes, slow notifications, looking for a way to reliably let your Discord community know when you go live, post a video, or post to social media, and more all at one time? You've come to the right place. What do I have to do? Like, update UI sounds good. Log into Pingcord. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to pay for it. 4 times the integrations. I mean, there's no reason that my normal stuff should fail other than that it fails. But, you know. This thing does Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. I haven't ever gone live on TikTok before. That could be interesting. Commands, no. Events. Let's try events. Twitch, stream start. What I really should do is I should integrate it with the hat. Let the hats bot do its thing. I think that would do the trick. I feel like the music's loud tonight. So how was everybody's Monday? As I was saying, I had a UPS die on me like right at the start of my day today, which is the exact opposite that UPSs are meant to do. That was a little frustrating. And then shortly after that, I had a network switch go out. That was interesting. It's been a day of everything deciding that it no longer wanted to work in my life. If you do 3+ YouTube channels, it costs more money. I'll think about it. Really, I should just take out my programming skills and build an actual better bot, or tie it into the hat bot, because the hat bot works perfectly. Except for when it doesn't. But, you know. Okay, so we need some achievements to do tonight. And then we'll head over to the Bedrock map, I think. Maybe. I'm a man who doesn't have time for that. You might be right. I might be. Or I might just be a man that's extremely lazy. I've been trying to establish that not only am I boring, but I'm also lazy. If I had the opportunity to have, $500,000 in a bank account, let's just talk this through. If I had a large chunk of cash in a bank account, you know what I would do? I would find a way, like maybe with like a high dividend yielding stock or something like that. I would find one of those stocks that earn like 10%, maybe 8, maybe more, find a high dividend yielding stock. And then I'd collect whatever money I get off of that money that's in the bank, and never work another day in my life, as opposed to earning more money to try to be happier. I think I could be happy on $50,000 a year in dividend money. Just saying. Is that why you're stuck in the basement missing your kids because they're older now, wanting to hang out with friends? I mean, that's definitely one reason why I'm down here. But my kids aren't avoiding me right now. My kids are upstairs. Well, they're actually, my son is at swimming lessons. And so, and my daughter, probably should be at dance, but she's not. And they're probably upstairs staring at the new lizard, who's still alive. It's survived one day, everybody. We should track this. We should track how long the lizard lives. I'm hoping it lives a long time. It should live a long time. My wife wants me to set up a lizard cam. I don't know. I feel like that's against Twitch's terms of service, though. I mean, there are people who do it, but why do I have a lizard? Rich and Cheesy, you're going to have to text my wife that question. I woke up yesterday morning, and the first thing my wife said to me was, "Can I have a lizard?" And then I replied back, "No," for about 2 hours. And then after 2 hours, I negotiated to get her to stop, and so that she could have her lizard. And I got something that I think will be worthwhile out of it, as long as she doesn't back out of it. She owes me one ride on Tower of Terror and one ride on Splash Mountain when it reopens as Tiana's Bayou Adventure or whatever it is. Because I would need like a mod to constantly watch chat, like the entire, either that or I would have to shut Twitch chat off, I suppose. We had a lizard in school named George. He's 14 years old. Wow. Nice. But so my wife got the lizard, and I get 2 rides on Disney World rides with my wife that she refuses to ride otherwise. I already forgot what I was doing. Is there a fishing achievement? Put mending on a piece of golden armor. I mean, maybe. Hi, Scooby Rogers, a.k.a. Cassandra. Break all 6 types of shovels. I'll think about it. Completely use a golden pickaxe. Then, seriously, I can do that one. Everyone's happy for the moment. It's a pretty good sized lizard too. It's here. I showed it on stream last night, but I think she sent me a photo of it. Yeah, there's a photo of it. There you go. Now, she did go and buy a new cage today, and a whole bunch of other things. So this lizard's getting kind of expensive, but You're gonna go enjoy college. Sleep well, Dark Reaper. Your sister used to own one of those? Yeah, it's like a leopard gecko or something. I don't know. You could have a lizard cam for 5-minute increments by Pretzel Redemption. It's not a half bad idea. Shut me off for a little while. Everybody else could watch the lizard instead. The lizard, though, lives 2 floors up, which, I mean, doesn't make it impossible. It adds to the difficulty level. Did she buy this one or did she kidnap? She adopted it. It was somebody else's lizard and they needed to get rid of it. That's how the topic started. And then she got, so I don't know if she paid the person for the lizard. I don't think she did, but maybe she did. But it needed a new home, so she volunteered to be the new home. This is kind of how we take on all of our pets. Technically, our cats were fosters at one point, like we were fostering them. You could be creative and have a tiny view of the lizard so it appears to be sitting on my shoulder. I mean, that would be Disney-esque then, right? Like, then it would be like that lizard from Tangled. I'd have to grow my hair out and dye it blonde. Trying to think where the best mining is. I feel like Planet UV is my favorite, so I'm gonna go here. Why is Minecraft crashing every time you go into MCOT? I don't know. MCOT seems to be working fine for me. Maybe clear your server cache? Pascal. Yeah, exactly. Pascal. It kind of looks like Pascal, too. A little bit. I said yesterday that it hadn't tried to sell me car insurance yet, so I'm not sure it's a gecko, but... But it also shed its skin today, which my kids enjoyed watching. They said it got stuck on his feet, on his nails. It do be Minecraft Monday, Fourth Win. I'm just making sure that I don't forget how to play before the next patch comes out. Getting me some advancements. Dum-ba-bum. How's Fourth Win doing today? Working on speedruns? Programming cool search algorithms? Scooby left the game. I could try, like, to teleport you, Cassandra, and see if maybe it's where you're logging in. It could be Mono Behavior Monday. We could work on games. I mean, since tomorrow isn't going to be able to be Tech Tuesday. Docker work. Nice. Oh, this time you logged out? Okay. No, I'm convinced I have to finish the game that I'm working on now. And I mean, like, really finish it. Like, make it polished, get it on Steam. I gotta do all those things now. I've had a vision where I release a yet another Vampire Survivors clone. Did you guys see the Game Boy remake of the CDI Zelda? I thought about playing that tonight, just for the fun of it. It's not very good. I haven't played very far into it, but I don't like it so far. It's probably better than the original, though. Trello board and cards? Ooh, enemy run animation. Cool. Decided to play on Morgue server. Morgue server is cooler than this server, so I don't blame you. Someday when Morg retires from streaming and no longer wants to play Minecraft, we can bring the world into MCOT. Oh, I'm in Textown. I'm like, where am I? Yeah, I'm pretty sure Rich and Cheesy's gonna beat me to releasing the game on Steam. It's a modded Minecraft, and your server is top 3. I mean, I appreciate that it's top 3. Wait, Morg has a modded Minecraft server now? I thought Morg had like a creative Minecraft server, or not creative, but like vanilla with like some like rule breaking stuff for like making colored stuff, unlimited blocks, that kind of thing. Maybe I just misunderstood. There might have been an update. Yeah, I don't know. Did they go to creative mod? Everybody, or create mod? Everybody seems to be going create mod. Fourth knows everything. I came all the way over here just to break a pickaxe. They are using the better MC mod pack. I doubt it has create mod. Ah, okay. We're gonna mine right here, because why not? Does the better MC mod require a mod pack on the client side? Yes, bling bling gone. Okay, 1 achievement. What else can we get tonight? Mine a stack of amethyst blocks, amethyst clusters in every... No. Craft tinted glass. I don't know if I have enough amethyst up here to do that. There's a node down here, though. 263 mods? Ugh. I would hate having to update. There's a Pepsi on my desk again. It is May. It's May 1st. Welcome on in to Monday, May 1st, 2023. We are 2 years and like 2 months past COVID, or since the start of COVID. No, wait, that's not right. 3 years and 2 months since the start of COVID. We're almost, actually, are we, what's 3 years and, we're past 3 years of we're past 3 years of streaming? Is that right? Yeah, we're past when did that happen? Back on March, yeah. Actually, that brings up a whole nother conversation. Twitch allows you to like celebrate your streamiversary now. And you get to pick what your streamiversary is. It just has to be within like 2 weeks of when you became affiliate. And I picked July 1st because that's when I first streamed with Link and Eloise. Well, with Link. Eloise wasn't there. So July 1st will be our 5th streamiversary, technically. Just saying. It doesn't really mean much. But for anybody wondering what our official streamiversary is now, that's what it is. In reality, I streamed before that for a little while because I was streaming Overwatch and stuff, but how am I going to celebrate? By streaming. That's how I sell it. Should I do something else? There's a pig in there. I could do like one of the pig achievements. Maybe. Bring back the red couch. Can't do that. I don't even know where the red couch is. It could be completely... Maybe somebody set it on fire for a movie for all I know. I feel like I should find some moss. Could go end busting. Free the end. Attempt to block the dragon's attacks. I don't really want to fight the dragon. Collect a dragon's head from the bow of an end ship. See, that sounds like a good idea. I should go find a dragon head. Kill the ender dragon while wearing a dragon head. That sounds hard. Block a shulker's bullet with my shield. See, I should go to the end. I know where I could kill a shulker. Poor Moki. I don't know if I did or not. Is that one of them? I think I'm gonna go to the end. It's been a while. Do we have... I'm trying to think what end would be the best end. What was this end like? And how do I get there? I don't even know where the end is in this world. Like, I know where it is on the other part of MCOT, but... Hold on. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look at the map and figure out which end is the least end-like. Or most end-like. MCOT.world. No, they aren't. There's a unique end for every world. They are not all connected here. Okay. So, yeah. So, like, for example, this is the normal end, which that's pretty well explored at this point. And we've got the whole end village going on, right? Planet 17 has an end. Wow. Either Planet 17's end has never been explored. Wait, does that mean the dragon's still alive? No, because it's got a pool. Interesting. So, Planet 17's end looks oddly safe. Planet U3 is even less rendered. Planet U4 has something. Looks like some sort of XP farm, maybe? Another XP... Like, a lot of people have built XP farms, apparently, in the end. The problem is, I don't know where they are. At some point, should we reset the ends? Well, we get a new end, just like everything else. We get a new end every time we create a new world, right? So there isn't a strong, compelling reason to create yet another new end, if that makes sense. But maybe Tech knows. Tech, do you know if there's a quick way to get to the end on this world? I'm trying to think where the fortress is. Where was the fortress? I can't even imagine what it was. How many games released in 1991 were still popular in 2003? I mean, that's a weird question to ask because there's still games from 1991 that are popular now, like Super Mario World. Although, Super Mario World 1991? Super popular? Again, I need a threshold. Let's change the question. How many games... How many games are still purchased from that long ago? Because that might... I mean, because Super Mario World right now has 707 viewers on Twitch. I would consider that to be reasonably popular. and 1.4 million followers on Twitch. And so there's a good number of people both watching and playing Super Mario World right now. Just saying. I mean, 1991 though is a very specific year. Because that's like, isn't that the year the NES released? SNES, I mean. So, yeah, 1991 North America. So Super Mario World is probably number 1 on that list. If we're specifically talking 1991 to today, or in your case 2003, I'm gonna bet the highest rated game from 1991 would be Super Mario World. I don't know what would beat it. I'd have to really think about it. And Super Mario World can't really be bought at the moment either. Not that that's relevant, but you'd have to buy it in some other weird form, like the eShop or something. I would bet that in 2003, a good number of people were actively playing it as well. Yes. Because you have other factors coming into play there too. Like, for example, there were people who didn't own anything but a Super Nintendo in 2003. Do I think it was as popular? Actually, that would be an interesting question. Is it more popular now? Or was it more popular then? Now that I don't disagree with. In terms of games that have held their audience as long as any, Minecraft, I would bet, is number 1 on that list. World of Warcraft is probably up there. But it's probably starting to fall if it hasn't already. I don't know how you measure that entirely. Gotta think this through, though. Where is the fortress in this world? I don't know that I know. Like, does the Nether Hub go to the fortress? Okay, I do remember going there at least once because Dismond and Moki tried to kill me with a warden there. This is the one with the warden. I am remembering some things. I just don't remember where. Yeah, but see, that we're getting into what a lot means. I agree that Minecraft has way more than Super Mario World probably had 10 years later, 12 years later. But Super Mario World also didn't have the technology to be updated. Didn't have the internet. Wasn't playable on a piece of hardware that was going to last forever. If I was the... You know what I could do? I could just go get some eyes and, like, track it down. It's not the worst idea in the world. It'd be cool, though, to really build the next genre-lasting game. Like, genre-creating game. Sounds good, Charles. See you later. I did already get an achievement, so I could jump ship, and... I want to get to the end, though. To be a mega millionaire and leave a solid footprint on society? Yes, I'd have to agree. I mean, I'm less concerned about the mega millionaire. I'm more thinking of it entirely from creating something that changes the way the entire video game industry does video games. To this day, I'm still kind of surprised that the closest thing that I've seen to an MMO with voxels is Valheim. Could be VR, AR. I could see that if Apple creates the hardware. Spheres. Oh. Yeah, see, I don't know if that gets me there. But, like, wasn't, like, EverQuest 2 or whatever supposed to be, like, the big voxel MMO game that was going to come around? Apple doesn't... Well, you're not... I don't disagree, Rich and Cheesy. It's going to be hard-pressed to see Apple step up and do what they need to do to make it happen, but... And the HoloLens has taken far longer than I thought it would be to get it to a consumer-ready product. I don't know. I think the other problem with AR in particularly is, or wearable glasses, is that it really is an invasion of privacy. Which we've allowed all the other forms of invasion of privacy over the last, since the invention of the internet. Why not that one? But I think it's going to take a little while for society to catch up to it. I could be wrong. But, like, how do movie theaters combat somebody showing up to a movie theater with a pair of smart glasses and recording the entire film? I mean, they couldn't even keep the Mario movie off of Twitter. Which I think that's absolutely hilarious, too. Stronghold. Look at that. It is labeled. I would imagine that Vampire Survivors is probably a huge influence to the London Dare. In fact, they were talking about the London Dare, I probably could have done the London Dare this time around. I just don't know that I want to. I don't know that I want to compete. Combat it by just being a better experience? I mean, yes. Somebody on YouTube V-coded the entire movie to Gangster's Paradise. Okay. Was Minecraft a London Dare? I thought maybe the core of it might have... I don't remember where Notch started with it. Seeing D&D... Yeah? I don't know. I mean, it's been... I saw one movie during the pandemic with my family. And while it was a good time, just realized I'm not wearing gold or armor, and I'm attempting to go to the end. Maybe not the smartest thing I've ever done. Did I walk past the stronghold? Also, I have iron on me, so I can make armor. What was I gonna say? Oh, the problem I have with movies is, and I think I've said this on stream before, I've gotten so nitpicky about popcorn and how I like to enjoy things that I, like, even at home watching movies, I go out of my way to watch them in bed and with my popcorn. Like, that's my jam. I don't know that I could get any more comfortable than that. The one thing that it doesn't give me at this point is surround sound, and that's only because I haven't dared to put surround sound into play. But, I don't know. One of these days, maybe I'll take my wife to see a movie again. Oh yeah, we've been talking about that ice machine in this house here, Rich. I'm just saying. I might have to order one of those opals. Either that or just commit theft of ice. Oh, icy, actual icy? Yeah, that's true too. Ices are good. Dinner time. Enjoy dinner. We had burgers tonight. Second time I've grilled already this year. Pretty happy about it. Can't wait for the third. Need to start doing steaks. A little windy out today, though. Do-do-do. I think what it is I just don't like the public. I don't like people. What is this? Is this the stronghold? I'm gonna figure this out. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's labeled, but... Oh, end stronghold. Look at that. Bum bum bum. Oh, right there even. Okay, before we jump into the hole, let's gear up maybe. I mean, I'm probably gonna die either way, but at least this way I don't feel like I'm completely incapable at a game. Okay, we got some food, we got lots of blocks. I think we got everything we need to go and die in the end. So let's do it. I mean, there is no way to bring, like, for these things to summon the warden here, right? These noises really unnerve me. Oh, really takes this many hits? The mod pad can't handle your, or the other way around. Laptop can't handle the mod pad. This place is scary. Just like to point that out. Lots of water over there, though. Okay. So somebody had started making a path. This looks like something I would do. Let us continue this adventure. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. Get out of my way, Mr. Enderman. A TNT? Oh, that's a little nerve-wracking. Hey, Ninja, how's it going? Happy Monday. Hope you're doing well. What's on the docket for tonight, my friend? It's May 1st, you know. Like 1 month till summer of Minecraft. Assuming you're going to play Minecraft all summer. Is it bouncing like that because I have head bob turned on or something? It's not head bob, though. Like, does it always do that? Sprint, hold up. I don't know. Where my schedule is out of control. I mean, that's fair. It's currently May Day in Animal Crossing. What do you do on May Day in Animal Crossing? And actually, like, is that a windy day? It's a windy day here. Ah, as that is the official start of summer. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Hey, Ninja, if you're looking to chaperone something, our favorite school has Geek Gaming on May 13th. Just saying. We don't need any more chaperones, but you could be one. Camping season, eh? Special May Day tour. Is it in all the Animal Crossing games or just New Horizons? I think Animal Crossing was Nintendo's on the Switch. I think it was Nintendo's biggest mistake. I think they had way more opportunity to make money off that game. Why does it feel like everything is like bending? Is that just me? I mean, look at the path up ahead. Like it. Never mind. Okay, which way should we go? Let's go. Let's start by eating. And we only eat the best fruit when we're in the end. I feel like I need to sneeze. Because I did. Is there a good method for searching the end for things? I don't even know what I'm... Oh, I'm looking for a dragon head, I think. I mean, I suppose following the paths that already exist isn't maybe the best idea in the world. I wonder if I can pull up the map again. Oh, now it's rendering. Wait, this is a different map. Where am I? There we go. Okay, I feel based on this that I need to go... Like right now, I'm probably facing north. Okay, I'm facing east. What I want to do is go south. That's going to be my plan. Okay, yeah, let's make the head bob go away. Can we make that go away? View bobbing. Boom. Oh, that's way better. Thank you, Ninja. That looks like a good way to go. Let's go a little more south first, though. This is not end music. I appreciate that it's still playing music, but it's not the end music. Hey, I got an achievement? For what? What is that? Explore every end biome. Interesting. I didn't even know the end had biomes. Finally, Cassandra has come back to Epcot. Yeah, I think there's this... Yeah, I don't know. Maybe... Here, let me hit F3. We are in... what is this one called? I don't know how to read this screen. Biome, Minecraft End Midlands. So End Midlands is one of them. For those of you playing along at home. Okay, is this southeast? Where are we? South, okay. Mm-hmm. My world rank in Ticket to Ride is falling. I haven't been playing enough games lately. I think I'm at like 190 now. Kind of makes me sad. And you know what the hardest part about Ticket to Ride is? It's knowing whether or not you should be a jerk in the game. Like blocking other people's routes. Blocking is so powerful in that game. I don't know why I'm talking about Ticket to Ride, but something about Ninja Weasel made me think about it. Well, I say, you know, my strategy as of late has been not to block until all my routes are done. Because if you start blocking super early, they start blocking, and that's like there is a like a zero sum like game theory thing, right? Like you either lose an opportunity to go and block, and then they do the same thing to you, right? Because you punish them. But once you have your routes completed, if you're the first one with your routes done, getting more routes versus blocking, I'll take blocking any day of the week. Despite being mean. And that's actually the one reason that I've kind of like stopped collecting. I also like the strategy of trying to get like every train card and then playing so that they don't know where I'm going. Now I kind of stop as soon as I have the trains I need to finish a route. Just so that I can play it before it becomes a bigger issue. Again, I don't know why I'm talking about Ticket to Ride, but... There's an end island over there. In terms of walking, south has turned to be good, but in terms of finding, south has not turned out to be all that good. We'll just keep walking then. Which way am I facing? East. Let's go a little more east. Are we 50 minutes into stream already? What is time doing today? And we got what? 11 days till Breath of the Wild, and the leaks are already starting to flow. How's my flipper? Sitting upstairs in my nightstand. I don't think it's down here right now. I haven't done much with it lately. I was a little saddened by Linus Tech Tips doing a video about it and making it popular again. Like, I don't want them to be like a well-known device, and they're very becoming a well-known device. Which makes them recognizable. I just muted every keyword for Zelda and used CSS hacks to hide the trending tab on Twitter so you don't get spoilers. Nice. Probably a good choice. We were talking a little bit ago about coming up with the next video game genre. Did I just seriously, like, does this go all... Oh, no, it's just, there is a gap there. Okay. I was also kind of thinking, like, I should try to play through my NES library again and try to find, like, hidden gems that could be, like, redone in, like, modern technology type thing. I don't know what they would be, but that's kind of the point. Why? What is with my nose? Ugh. It's like there's dust in here or something. I think the idea came from the fact that this person who created the Game Boy game of the CDI Zelda. I mean, the game so far that I've seen isn't all that great, but just the sheer fact that somebody took the time to do that, I think is insane. And they used the Link's Awakening, like, tile set, which I thought was kind of cool. But Alex Jag is thinking about me? Oh, that could be. Maybe that's why I'm sneezing. I'm allergic to Alex Jag thinking about me. Unity could give you a good jumpstart on nearly any Nintendo. I agree. Like, half the Nintendo game library could probably be done in like 10 minutes with Unity. Okay, maybe not quite that fast, but... When you think about how basic some of those games were, and yet how many hours people lost to them. I mean, what was the last game that was like Bubble Bobble that, like, really took over the market? Is there a Bubble Bobble clone? A modern day Bubble Bobble clone? Or how about Ice Climbers? A modern day Ice... Did they ever remake Ice Climbers? Just Smash Brothers? Or Donkey Kong. Particularly the Donkey Kong Jr. variety. Also, why did I bring the armor if I'm not going to wear it? Build a proof of concept of any Nintendo game. I mean, it's not a bad idea. I'm also surprised, like, 3DS games, or not 3DS, Virtual Boy games didn't get recreated. Not that any of them were really worthy of being recreated, except for maybe Wario Land. Just surprised that more of that hasn't happened. Is this east? That's north. Okay. Don't forget, you can mouse wheel click a block you're looking at and move it. Ooh. That was not something that I ever really thought about doing. It probably makes sense. Just like in creative mode or whatever. Except for in creative mode, it just gives it to you. Here, I'll try it right here. I'll probably fall off and die. Nope, I'm alive. Nice. Good shortcut. Something about the ends texture for the void that unnerves me a little. The fact that it's not just straight black. Okay, we are off. I see something. Does it have a boat? Do you have a boat? Why no boat? Where your boat? Give me boat. I don't see boat. Okay, so step 1, build a crafting table. We gotta at least get an achievement out of this. Video compression hates it. Yeah. You know what? We'll bring this with us, just in case. Okay, so step 1. Reflect shulker with shield. Wow, that's a lot of more fire than I remember there being. Uh-oh. What was that achievement? Kill a shulker. Okay. Did I get a shulker shell out of that? I did not. How rude. Jump down. I know there are bad things around. My favorite way to die. Parkour. Let's do parkour the right way. Oh, there must be one in here with me. Oh, there must be a bunch in here. This could be bad. Ooh, ender chest. Not as bad. Could be really bad. Could be really bad. Oh, this is Java. What am I spamming? Fall down. There we go. Okay. Hide in the corner. I'm not dead yet. Oh, there's still one over here. No. Oh, no. Oh, no. 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 No! Well, at least I got 1, 2, 4 achievements on the night. 3, 4. I mean, that's not bad. 463. Look at that. We made progress. Ugh. How depressing. Silly shulkers. Just when I was about to get my, shulker box. I'll be back. I'll go back there, just not tonight. I'm gonna try something real quick. Just not enough room. Mm-hmm. This probably won't work, but I'm gonna try anyway. Wait, what else was in that chest? Nice. There, 5 achievements on the night. Not bad. I will take it. Okay, let's switch to other Minecraft. Because that's what I do these days. I spend an hour over here and an hour over there, waving my hands in the air. Like I just don't care. Something like that. Let's see. When we last left off, I don't remember what we were doing. Let me think about this. We had started doing some image on map stuff, right? Why is this taking so long to load? Go, go, Gadget Minecraft. Here, we'll turn on the Zelda music in the meantime. Media player. Mm-hmm. Okay. We were doing something with the resource pack, though, last time, too. Do. Okay, so let's see. Last time we were here, why is it going so slow? had just gotten Princess loaded back into the castle there. Yeah, wow. What is with the frame rate? There we go. That was weird. We were joking about making the window glow. I don't know what would be easier, though, to make blocks or keep doing this painting thing. Because the problem with the painting thing is every time I do it, I have to re-upload the world because it's part of the world file. It's not part of the... It's not part of the native thing. Whereas blocks, if I create additional blocks, that's just part of the resource pack. I'm going to try that. With this one, I'm going to try doing a block instead, just to see how hard it is to accomplish that variation of it. To actually add a block as opposed to replace a block. Because I don't want to replace anything. I want to add. Although if you add... If you add and you shut the resource pack off, bad things happen. I'm going to Google that real quick. Custom... Bedrock custom blocks. So it is a behavior pack. Well, let's try it out. Let's see what we can figure out. Turn on the display capture here. First things first. Let's get into this folder here. So we got behavior packs, development behavior packs. I don't know why we have two different ones. What's the difference? They look the same to me. That one has Toad. That one also has Toad. 742, 327. And this one's more recently updated. This is probably the official pack. Should probably make sure Charles hasn't done anything. If he has, I gotta sync it. So I've done something that hasn't been updated. Toad-related stuff. Okay, well, let's try this. Let's see if we can create a block. That's step one here. Can we even achieve what we want here? So, blah, blah, custom behavior, rename, where's manifest.json? Okay, here we go. Manifest.json. We are looking at the behavior pack. We have everything that's in this pack, so we don't need that. Now let's create a custom block. So we're going to go back to here. Create a folder called blocks. Create a new text document, and we'll call this window. No, window's a bad name. Castle castle window.json. Then we'll edit that with Notepad++. And we'll call this beta64, and we'll call it same thing, castle window. Don't really care about any of this other stuff, it looks like, at the moment, so that's just fine. So that's all we needed to add to that. So then we go to the resource pack. Create a folder and name it texts. Okay, we have that already. enuslang. So we got tile.whatever. So we're going to do tile. Except we don't want it to be demo. Tile.beta64 colon what did I name it? Castle window dot name equals castle window. Okay, so we've named our block. I need my third monitor back. So now we need to do we need some textures. So let's go into textures. Is there a terrain texture in here? There is. Good. Texture data. We're just going to add one here. Before we do that, though, I want to do just a quick little search through this file. Where's grass? Okay. So those are the types. Frosted ice. I'm just looking here to see what how things work here. Okay, let's go to the very end of the file so we don't really mess anything up. Let's call this castle window. Textures, blocks, castle window. Save. Okay. Then do we need to go to the blocks.json file? I don't know if we do. We'll check though. That's a lot of files. Details. Blocks. There is no blocks file here. Where's blocks? Is it up here? Blocks. We'll add our block here just in case. So this is beta64 castle window. Textures. And we'll call it castle window. Extra curly bracket. Anything else I need? Don't really care about the sound. Actually, let's do that. Sound. Stone. So we got texture, we got the blocks, so we did all those things. So last but not least, we need texture itself, which that we started pulling out last week. Just gotta find it again. What was last Monday? 24th. A million maps to look through. I could guarantee these were all appropriate. I'd put them on the screen, but I can't guarantee that. Okay, there's the princess window. Where's the little window? Do. Nice pretty picture of Desmond. Why is this so hard to find? There's two that I want to get added in. A Goomba, and I'm just going to pull these out so I don't have to find them again. Where is a window? Seriously. So many images. No, it's gonna be gray. Okay, so none of these look inappropriate, so I'm just gonna go through here and we can look at them together because I can't find them. Would I like to spend 2 water to recruit a worker? I don't think I want to. You want me to check? I thought we were at the end of the game. Didn't I pass? I'll check. Cleanup phase. Pay 2 to recruit a worker. I don't know why I would. Skip. Oh, look at that. We are at the end of the game. I'm going to lose so badly. Here, let's get the scores, shall we? Hi, Silver Down. What are all those zeros down there? Oh, bonus objectives. 660. At least I got 0 there. That was a step in the right direction. 9 points there. 0, 3, 0, 0, 0. I had most water. Yes. 33. 33. At least I didn't take last. I didn't win, but I didn't take last. Doom, 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 doom. 84. Rich and Cheesy pull it out? I'm sure he did. I think he got 89. Look at that. With most of the points being scored on tokens. Oh, good to know. I have to keep that in mind going forward. Well, I'll propose a rematch. Okay, back to looking for a piece of artwork. If you see something that looks like a window that isn't these, please let me know. Oh wait, is this it? I suppose that could be it. Does that look like the castle windows? Kinda does. I thought they were more regal than that. Oh, like this one. Yeah, that might be what I'm looking for. We'll try this one. Back to the textures folder, or I don't know, games? No, I don't know. Mojang, resource packs. Nope, development resource packs. SMB Adventure. Blocks, textures, blocks. Paste. Where did it put it? This is not helpful. View details. Date modified. Okay. Rename castle window. Okay. Let's try launching into Minecraft and see if I did this wrong. I think we can just do it on this one. Silver Down, what you been up to lately? How's it going? Also, Rich and Cheesy, I know it was an hour ago, but thank you for the resub. I'm just now looking at the right screen. And apparently I didn't sip the beverage for Charles either. Okay. Let's see. What did a castle... So this must not be using the right pack. Looks like these. I just don't know if it's the right one. We have too many packs with the exact same name. How about Castle? Nope. Castle? Nope. Playing Phasmo a lot since they're going to be wiping all the progress and starting new. Interesting. Show your old progress. That's kind of, I mean, that's nice. So trying to grind for the badge before it goes away kind of thing. I remember doing that in World of Warcraft at one point. Let's do this. Let's get out of this world. The question is, which pack is the development pack? I need to write like a script that like takes my development pack and makes it a real pack. So I don't run into these problems. Edit with that. So this one doesn't have the 424 in it. So let's make this 5123. Come back here, back out, edit. Make sure we get the right one. There's only one of these, so that should be fine. Let's try that again. Okay, it's mad about Toad, but I'm okay with that. Castle. Nope. Beta. Nope. Give JJDB 210 beta 64 castle window. Oh, interesting. So it shows up here. Its texture's all wrong. Interesting. It doesn't show up in that list, but I can give it to myself. It's curious. Okay, so why did the castle window texture not work is now the question. Textures, blocks, maybe it needs textures, blocks. Maybe it wants to be an apple. Maybe. I was gonna say maybe it needs the a JSON file to go along with it. Let's pick some. Although I don't think you need the JSON. I mean, maybe you do. Yeah, that's just for it's just for the 3D stuff. Okay, so let's check file naming, because maybe it's a file naming problem. So castle window.png. That looks right. I'm with you. I'm with you, Silverdown. Mostly. Terrain texture. Castle window. Nothing else. Colon. Textures. We'll add the spaces in, although they shouldn't matter. Textures. Castle window. That all looks okay. Manifest. Manifest doesn't matter. Oh, maybe this is just castle window. No beta 64 colon castle window. Try that. Nothing. This says update in grass. Do you notice that? It says update in grass. Why does it say update in grass? What am I? Maybe that's a hint as to what I'm supposed to be doing. Update in grass block Minecraft. I don't know what that block. Oh, I found it. It's in the wiki. The update block appears to be a dirt block with green text displaying update or 8 up. It serves as a placeholder for non-implemented items. To obtain the block, the player has to use inventory editors or jailbreak their device. Okay, I didn't do either of those things. Well, no, I didn't do either of those things. So something got missed. That's all there is to it. Something got missed. Let's see if I can figure out what got missed. Do your texture terrain match the custom block? I'm gonna check one more time. Blocks.json. I mean, beta. This one's supposed to have. This one's supposed to have the beta 64 part in it. How about the other one? Was the other one supposed to have it? Doesn't show it. They are .pngs. Castle window. I wonder if it's possible I'm looking at the wrong behavior pack. Let's check that. We'll name this again 5123. Do. Still nothing. But, oh, we didn't check to see what pack we were using, though. Save and quit. You guys see the new Intel processor, the Ultra processors that they're announcing? Finally getting rid of the I name. I don't know how I feel about it. But I think that might be a good indicator that it's time to buy yet another new computer. We'll see. Play. Edit. It's just branding, though, at the end of the day. Okay, so it is loading the right behavior pack. We are getting the block. It's called Castle Window. Minecraft : block identifier beta 64 : Castle Window. That all looks good. Should have a dependency. Modules. Let's add the dependency in. I'm probably gonna regret this. This is the resource pack UUID, so we'll grab that. Did that automatically turn on? It did not. Interesting. Bum bum. Still not there. Even named it right. So it's showing castle window. So that part's right. So there's something with the textures. Just to make sure RTX isn't on. Well, now it's on. As it completely crashes. Dum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Did it really crash? Or is it just taking forever to load? Oh. Nope, it crashed. Ugh. I just don't know what else I'd be missing. We've got this. Maybe it should have the Beta 64 in front of it? That's just because you're too old school, Rich and Cheesy, that's all. It's not cheating, it's a tool. But it does make you wonder why it takes so long to release some things, doesn't it? I also wonder why all the people that make these great tutorials don't have success making games. I don't know. Maybe they do have success making games and we just don't know about it? I mean, let me ask this question. And this is something that kind of crossed my mind earlier today. At what point would I have considered my game to be successful on Steam? 1,000 downloads? Maybe. But I kind of wonder how much the number of downloads depends more on marketing. Yeah, I would say that there's a little bit of that. Definitely a little bit of luck. Getting picked up by a major streamer probably wouldn't be too shabby of a way to move it forward. I was actually thinking about like trying to figure out some way to like social engineer multiplayer type stuff, because multiplayer creates like natural spreading of the game, right? This is true too. Textures, blocks, castle, window. Why is this not working? Textures. Wait, did I write block or blocks? Okay, blocks. Castle window .png. So it's definitely there. Textures, castle window. Textures, castle window. I'm gonna copy this and I'm just gonna do everything both ways and see if I can stumble on getting it working. Hi, Psyched. Welcome on in. We are doing some Minecraft world development tonight. Working on behavior and texture packs for a Morio project we've got going on. Still not working. what am I missing? Something silly, I'm sure. Castle window, castle window, castle window, castle window. All of those look good. I kind of wonder what would happen if I didn't include all of them. Bum, 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 bum. Edit with Notepad++. Nope. Castle window, Beta 64, castle window, textures, castle window. Maybe this missing comma is what's doing me in? Oh, if that's what it is. Don't be the missing comma. What's gonna be the missing comma? Nope. Welcome back, Charles. Was there another? Oh, there's a second missing comma. Let's try that one. Why is the grass texture randomized? I don't know. But it's working! What texture is randomized? What are you seeing? It might have been because I caused an error. Oops. So Charles, I'll just tell you what I've been doing here since you just got back. I was trying to figure out whether or not I wanted to keep doing what I did to get this into the game, which was, this was map imports, so basically image on map, but Bedrock style. The problem with that is every time I do this, I have to re-import the world, which is a pain. So I'm trying to avoid, I was trying to see if this way was faster. And so what I did this time is I created a 100% custom block. So now we have a window block that is not, it's not using an existing block. I didn't replace a block. I literally added a block to the game. If that makes sense. My next question, and this is for Charles, I could probably go back to the other world and find out. I wonder if we can create new paintings without overwriting current paintings. I could not, I looked into that last week, I could not find a way to do it. The only thing I could do was image on map type stuff, which is what this is. I mean, I guess we could create our own painting object, like our own entity, but that's possibly even more work. But maybe, actually, you know, maybe we could have one big image with different types. I don't know how we'd specify the types. I'd have to think about that. Maybe that's not a bad idea. But this feels like it was pretty straightforward once I got all the little technical bugs out of it. Castle walls are note blocks in the Java version. Okay, so this is right? Like the texture and stuff? Or did we have paintings over the top of them? I feel like we had paintings over the top of them. Okay, it's right? Okay. Okay, so I will upload this. What other... Is there other blocks? Like single blocks that would be useful? that I could just do as blocks. Here, I'll look through the image library here just to see. I mean, most of these are paintings. I don't know. There must be, maybe, I'll do a little bit more research on this end. Custom painting entity Bedrock. Let's just see what we can find. How you can add custom paintings into Minecraft Bedrock, but is it... I have a feeling like those articles are all going to be just redoing the texture without replacing. Entity with variations like paintings, Minecraft, Bedrock. Let's look at this one real quick. Render controllers are often misunderstood part of resource packs, but don't be afraid, blah, 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 blah. Define short names. So since render controllers work based on short names, it's possible to reuse the same render controller for all the entities. Texture layering. Sometimes it's helpful to create layered textures. A straightforward example, imagine a painting entity. The frame of the painting is always the same, but the picture itself can change. While you could duplicate 10 frame items and paint 10 paintings, you now create a problem. What if you wanted to change the frame? Now you need to edit 10 textures. This can be solved by layering textures. Simply place the frame texture on first, and then add the different paintings on top. You can now edit the frame in one simple location. Layers, texture top, texture bottom. You need to define all textures in the entity and also use Villager 2 v2 mask material. Set up multiple tops texture, which we will index later. So you got top 1, top 2, top 3, and then the bottom, and then the render controller. So then we do a variant. If you want to change the texture of an entity during gameplay dynamically, you simply need to change the variant. This can be done. So I think that's what we might need to do. I wonder if I could like... I wonder if I could take all the original image maps and make them one giant variant index. And then we just have to specify the right variant on the block. Or painting, as the case may be. That'd be probably the fastest way to get all the image on maps back in. I'm just trying to think what's quick. Quick and easy. The textures change depending on the block state of the note block. Yeah, yep, no, and that makes sense. That's no different than like the wool and stuff like that. So there, I mean, we create one entity that we call image on map or something like that, and we just assign it all the image on maps from before. I can get you the index of image on maps so that we have a reference. Basically, I can get you a copy of this so that you have the variant numbers, if you will. And then we can use that. I think. You want to change the texture of an entity during... You simply need to change the variant. This can be done using component groups and events. I think that would be the fastest way to get them into the game. Still a little tedious. I think that'll be my goal for next time, because I'm not going to be able to get my brain wrapped around how to get these things in place. But what I will do, I'll do one thing tonight, just to get the process started. I'm going to add to the development resource pack, SMB, textures. Well, maybe I don't want to do this yet, because I want to know which one it actually belongs in. Because I don't think we want it as a block texture. It's going to be a entity texture. Right? Because the entity will have to go through the... Yeah, so it's going to have to go through the render thing. So like a item frame must be in here, right? Or a painting. Would a painting be in here? No. Well, I'll put them in here, and if they have to be moved later, I'm going to call it the image on map entity. I can't think of a better name for it. And I'm just going to put them all in the resource pack so that we have them. And reload. So let's check the GitHub. That looks good here, right? Add castle window to behavior pack. And then let's go to this one. We have all these things. Adding castle window and all of the old map image on map images for next time. This is going to clutter the resource pack a little bit, Charles, but shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, I'm committing a lot of images. Oi. And pushing. 2,000 objects. Oh, that went pretty quick, though. What's the problem? Failed to push some refs. Try it again. Oh, did you commit between when I... Oh, why did I not fetch beforehand? What's going on? No local changes. We have 2 local commits waiting. What's the problem? Okay, I think we're good. I'm gonna go look at the GitHub real quick. It's been a while since I've been on GitHub. I need to spend more time Isn't there a sign in with Google button? Why is it not signing me in? We'll shut the display capture off for a moment while I figure this out. It's been so long, I'm logged out of GitHub. Yep, okay. So it looks like... Turn it back on here. Textures. Entity. Image on map. And there they are all. All the files. Plus, so you'll want to update both the behavior pack and the resource pack. I'm going to attempt to upload both to the server. Nah, I'm going to skip uploading to the server just for the moment. So this isn't on the server yet, the Windows. But we'll get them, I'll get them there soon. I want to try to make one or two other small changes before I go through the trouble of repackaging again. Maybe I'll write a script to repackage so that I can do it faster. Just to make life easier. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there. I don't have anything else I want to try to accomplish. We made good progress though. We got 5 achievements. We got the window block into the game. Slow going. But we know how to add blocks now, so that's something. We committed all the maps. We have an idea for what we're going to do on Image on Maps, if I can remember it between now and next time. Let's raid. Let's figure out where we're going. Feels like it's probably a Ninja Weasel kind of night, but let me look. Hey, Undor is doing Minecraft and building Noah's Ark. Intriguing. Ninja Weasel's just chatting. Let's go say hi to Ninja Weasel. See what's up over on his stream. So with that, I appreciate you all. You're all pretty amazing. You're all very amazing. If you haven't done so already, join the Discord. Because that's a thing. And yeah, you can copy the raid message if you want. We are going to the official after party of JJDB210, which is Ninja Weasel Plays. We'll be back tomorrow. It will be an early stream. It'll likely be a short stream. It'll likely be Tetris. Just because it'll be a short stream, so we'll see what happens. I don't know how early. It could be as early as 3 o'clock, maybe, if I can get home from work that early. And we'll just see what happens. So it'll be a little bit different tomorrow, one way or another. It won't be at 6 o'clock, though, because I won't be home. So with that, stay healthy, you guys. Stay safe. And until next trip, see ya.